Hi there. In this quick video, we'll walk you through how to search for broker tours or open houses on the MLS. Log in to Paragon. Go to the search menu, and under Specialty Search, select Open House Tour. Use either the date range or days forward filter to narrow down your results. Click the magnifying glass icon next to Tour or Open House status. Select either Tour or Open House, then click Save. Enter the city names in the city field. Click the search button in the top right corner to view listings that match your criteria. And that's it. You're now ready to explore upcoming tours and open houses. Thanks for watching.